Welcome to another episode of Tech Transformed, where we explore the latest innovations reshaping our world. I'm your host, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, StarVector, a foundation model for SVG generation. Now you might be thinking, SVG? What's so intriguing about that? Well, SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and it's a powerful format for images on the web. Imagine being able to generate high-quality graphics with just a few lines of code. That's exactly what StarVector is aiming to achieve. To kick things off, let's break down how StarVector operates. At its core, it transforms vectorization into a code generation task. This means it doesn't just create visuals, but turns visual elements into programmable formats that developers can easily manipulate. Quite the game changer, right? I mean, think about it. Traditionally, creating these graphics requires designers and a lot of painstaking detail work. But with a model like StarVector, you could streamline that process significantly. This leads to efficiency and creativity bursting at the seams. Can you imagine a world where a developer can input a rough sketch and instantly generate a clean, scalable vector graphic? It opens up a treasure trove of possibilities. But here's a thought. How does StarVector manage to effectively process both visual and textual data? Well, it uses a vision language modeling architecture. This means it can understand images and interpret corresponding text descriptions. For example, if you input an image of a cat and describe it as a playful orange tabby, the model can truly grasp the nuances of that description and create a matching SVG. I know it might sound a bit complex, but imagine the implications. Designers could work more collaboratively with developers, as both parties can speak the same language and understand the visual intent behind the code. Let's consider a hypothetical scenario. Imagine a small business owner wants to create a series of promotional graphics for an upcoming online campaign. Instead of hiring an entire design team, they could use StarVector to generate everything they need, all through simple text commands. That's not just efficient, it's transformative for small businesses looking to thrive in a digital economy. Now I'm curious. How do you think this technology will shape the future of design and development? Will we see a greater democratization of creativity? Or are there concerns about losing the unique human touch in graphic design? As we near the end of our episode, let's reflect on a few key takeaways. StarVector not only revolutionizes how we create and manipulate graphics, but it also bridges the gap between visual art and coding. It embodies the spirit of innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. I encourage you, our listeners, to keep an eye on advancements like StarVector. As the fusion of art and technology continues to evolve, who knows what creative frontiers we'll explore next. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Transformed. Keep dreaming big, and until next time, stay curious.